The first topic for me that was very interesting was connected to learning analytics. What I see is that often we have a lot of data, but when we listen to conversations and speakers about learning analytics, it stays quite a high level. So what I got into from the learning technologies is that we can actually boil it down and start with some very simple data that we can extract from our learning management system and combine it with the performance data that we have from our business and our people. And with a simple setup of a couple of questions and some calculations, one of the speakers showed me how we can make a start with learning analytics. The second thing that I find very interesting was connected to reaching out to people in the cohort. I already have an appointment with one of the fellow participants about the system that he's working with and the platform. Because within IKEA we experience the challenge that we cannot reach the people on the shop floor. Often they don't have time for learning, they're not close to a computer, there are not that many training rooms. So we are looking into a solution to make it possible for them to learn